In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Webflow with HubSpot. Quick tutorial. We'll connect Webflow to HubSpot using Zapier, so your form submissions or site events can flow straight into your CRM without code. Start by opening your Webflow account and heading to your main dashboard. From there, go to the Marketplace, then into the Apps section. You'll see a search bar at the top. Use it to find the Zapier app. When you see the Zapier listing, open it and click Install App to add it to your Webflow workspace. This doesn't change your site. It simply enables the connection path you'll use next. On the Installed App page, click the option that says something like Connect Webflow to 8,000 plus apps. That takes you to Zapier's editor. In the editor, proceed to set up your workflow. You'll move into the Action step, where you'll connect HubSpot. In the App Picker, search for HubSpot and select it. Next, choose the event you want HubSpot to perform when your Webflow trigger fires. For example, you might create a new contact, update a contact, or add someone to a list. Pick the event that matches your goal, then continue through the prompts. As you proceed, you'll click the Create and Continue buttons to confirm the setup screens and move forward. When you reach the app field for your HubSpot action, choose to connect a HubSpot account. Click Connect HubSpot, then confirm with Yes, Continue to HubSpot. If you don't already have a HubSpot account, select the option to create a new HubSpot account. On the Sign Up screen, choose Sign Up with Microsoft and follow the prompts. If you're asked to confirm Microsoft sign-in more than once, continue through those confirmations until you land on the email step. Enter your email address as requested and verify it using the verification step HubSpot provides. Once your email is verified and the sign-up completes, you'll be redirected back to Zapier with your new HubSpot account authorized. Back in Zapier, you should now see your connected HubSpot account available for selection. Choose it to finalize the connection. From here, you can continue configuring your action details, like mapping fields from your Webflow data to the right properties in HubSpot. Keep your mappings clear and consistent, so names, emails, and other details land in the correct place. That's the core integration flow. Install the Zapier app in Webflow, launch Zapier, pick HubSpot as your action, choose the event, and authorize HubSpot. Follow these steps, and you'll have a reliable bridge from Webflow to HubSpot